the snail body, we've got this really cool blue. I mean, we're looking at one of the rarest fire agates you're ever going to see in your whole life. The fact that are you ever going to see another one that's shaped like a snail that has coloring like this one does, even at this point, you know, is probably never going to happen. Right here we have Gary. I believe I carved him on a live stream a while ago, shaped him up. I thought he was close to being done, but a lot of times when I put something down when they're all wet and then I let them totally dry out, I see stuff I'd like to try and fix. Like, I would try and fix that little white dot that's on his face right there, but I would be scared of losing more of that green coloring that's on top. I can shape and smooth some of this a little bit better because that's still pretty rough. It's why it's white right there. That indentation there too. And then some of this stuff underneath. And before I work it, I really want to inspect it as good as I can, dry under bright lights. And then I want to remember exactly where I want to work. And the hardest spots to remember are going to be the spots I want to work first, because I'm not going to be able to see them once this thing gets wet. Now, I could work it dry, but I'm a firm believer that I get a smoother, toolless, marked surface with a wet and circular motions, even extremely small circular motions. He's definitely turned out to be, you know, Gary the Snail, that's for sure. He's got some really cool attributes about him. I think I need to work the top a little bit more. Maybe I can expose some of that green some. At the same time, if I go too far, I end up getting this bright orange with the yellow. Now, there might be another neon green right underneath of that, but sometimes that'll make indentions chasing something like that. So I'm not sure if I will just go ahead and leave that yellow on top of there and just try and expose some of that green a little bit more. Apparently, Sheba has decided that she wants some attention. She's not happy with all of these lights and cameras and me working and it not being towards loving on her. She's purring really loudly right now too. Did you stop purring? And there we have it. I've compressed a crazy amount of work into a nice 4-minute video that was fun to watch. At least I think it was fun to watch. I liked the music that was inside of this video. Tell me in the comments, did you think this video was fun to watch? Anyways, once again, we got Gary, my man, right here. He's got a high gloss polish. I use Diashine products to put that high gloss polish on him. I've definitely gotten better with the polishes. Gary, I think I might end up recutting him one more time because I really think I might be able to get some better color in his shell. Besides that, he looks pretty fantastic. Gary S. Turbo, he is a racing snail. I think he is super unique, probably one of the rarest pieces of gemstone you'll ever see, because I don't think you'll ever see another gemstone that will look exactly like him. The chances that somebody else is going to find a piece of fire agate and is going to be able to see the lines inside the fire agate and actually expose a snail looking piece because it's it's in the stone, not because it's what I wanted it to be. Uh, I don't think it's going to happen. These things are like snowflakes. Anyways, if you like the video, hit that like button, share this somewhere. Any of the support you can drop is definitely helpful. Throw me a whole bunch of money. And if you'd like to learn how to carve fire agate, drop me a line because I'm definitely willing to teach people privately. I love y'all for watching. I'll see you soon. Make sure you support in some way if you like videos like this and you want me to keep on making them. I need your help every day.